Are you okay? And they say only people that steal sugar gets the hiccups. The flesh we got there. Yo, the stuff is hot, eh? It is hot. What are you doing? Sugar, come here, bring it here, bring it here. Where's the asthma pump? I don't think you're on video. What's happening? What's happening with the tomato juice? Listen, you're also sitting with a smile there. What's happening with the tomato cocktail? What did you do? I thought it's helping for the spice. You are now...
I'm sorry, I have had one bite of that and a very much doctored tomato juice.
Doctored?
Why did you throw that stuff in the tomato juice?
What? When?
When I went to go get the salt, I can see the things floating on here.
Oh man, that's from the tomato.